Hello everybody, Chapman ML1 Traditional Standard and a Blackstar HT1-R amplifier. There's no reverb on here, this is completely just dry. Let's just have a listen. One thing I've noticed of the Chapman guitars I've had, they're unbelievably resonant acoustically. My ML3 P90 rings and rings and rings when you hold it. Anyway, nail on my finger, by the way. Don't know what I've done to it. It's bruised and it's taken ages to heal. So one thing, tone on this guitar, it's a little bit on and off. It's just, in my experience of Chapman's, unusual. Neck. Down a little bit, I'll put something a bit crunchier. Anyway, this sounds, what does this sound like? This sounds like a Strat. It does. I'd say the pickups are slightly brighter than some of the Fenders I've had, and some of the, certainly a bit brighter than classic wine. Brightness is the right word. Not quite as warm. They're a bit more bitey, I guess is what they are. But of course you've got the tone knob and you've got the tone on your amp, so if you want it slightly creamier you can. But I've been really impressed with this, as I have with all the Chapman guitars that I've had, to be honest. You know, I appreciate the elephant in the room is this here, with the headstock there. And actually, you know, a lot of people, myself included, this pickup selector, tune slightly. Pickup selector, you know, with the whammy bar being in the way. Well, got used to it pretty quickly. Sure, it's not quite as easy as flick flick here, but outside of the fingers, back up. Because certainly as Dave Simpson goes, he's nearly always either on the bridge or on the neck. So, and of course if you're not really using the trem arm, then it's not in the way really, is it? Just get used to it. Using it, it's here. Now, not one come out of the box, mind you, and most importantly, it's a very similar colour to this baby of mine. So you've got a little brother. So anyway, let me know what you think, Chapman fans. Let me know what you think.